War Chief, our ship sustained heavy damage when we passed through the raging maelstrom. It's unsalvageable.
I knew it. Can we confirm our location? Is this Kalimdor?
We traveled due west as you instructed. This should be it.
Very well. Has there been any sign of Hellscream or the other ships?
No, War Chief. Not since we got separated.
Prepare to move out. If our comrades did make it here, we should be able to find them along the coast. Dabu.
What do you want?
Who you want me kill?
Yes?
Lokrigar no Gal.
Master?
Where you want me go?
We should check these crates for valuable supplies. Yes?
Why?
Master?
Let's get on with it.
Huh? What you want? This is one of our ships, War Chief. It must have been smashed against the rocks in the storm.
Lokrigar no Gal. Dabu. Yes.
Yes?
Where you want me go?
I am the War Chief. Let's get on with it.
Master?
Your time has come.
Yes?
The spirits are restless. Yes. Lokrigar no Gal.
Huh?
What you want me do?
A great battle took place here. The clay is red with fresh blood.
Is there nothing in this land but dust and carnage? Lokrigar
What you
no
want?
Gal.
Master?
Those pig creatures are unlike anything I've ever seen before.
At least they're prettier than the humans. Huh? Loktar!
Let's get on with it. Dabu.
Loktarosh!
The spirits are restless. Yes.
Why?
I am
What you want?
the War Chief. Lokrigar no Gal. Dabu. For honor.
Yes?
The spirits are restless.
Where you want me go?
I am
Yes.
the War Chief.
Zub.
Lokrigar no Gal.
Thanks for saving us, man. We should hurry. The pigmen say there were other ships nearby.
Master?
The horsemen are slaughtering those bull creatures. I led us here to escape senseless conflict. Now it seems we're surrounded by it. Lokrigar no Gal.
Anything you want.
Yes.
Why?
Yes?
What you want me do?
Let's get on with it.
What you want? Dabu. Loktar.
Lokrigar no Gal. For honor. Dabu. Yes. For honor. Dabu.
Master?
Who you want me kill? Why?
Thrall, War Chief. We knew you'd find us.
Thrall, warrior. I'm glad you're all safe. Were you part of Hellscream's group?
No, War Chief. We were separated in the storm. We only just arrived.
Lokrigar no Gal. Yes.
Yes?
The spirits are restless.
A doom hammer!
None will survive. For
Master.
honor,
What you want me do?
I am the War Chief. Lokrigar no Gal. The horsemen look as if they're dressed for war. Let's get
What
on
you want
with
me
it.
do?
Yes. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Dabu.
What you want me go?
The spirits are restless.
What you want me do?
I am the war chief.
Yes?
The spirits are restless.
Who you want me kill?
Lokrigar
Who you want me
Nogal. For honor.
What do you want?
What you want me go?
Master?
Who you want me kill?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Look, Naro!
Yes.
Yes?
Anything you want.
Huh?
I am the
What you
war
want?
chief.
Why?
Lokrigar Nogal.
What you want me do?
Let's get on with it.
What you want me go?
The spirits are restless. For honor.
Huh? What you want me go?
I am the war chief. I am the war chief. Dabu.
Want me kill?
I am the war chief.
Drumcar, War Chief.
Well met, warrior. Has there been any sign of...
The horsemen are charging! Defend yourselves!
Loktar! Loktar! Let's get on with it.
I am Cairn, chief of the Bloodhoof Tauren. You greenskins fight with both savagery and valor. I am intrigued.
I am Thrall, and these are my brethren, the Orcs. We've come seeking the destiny promised to us.
Seeking destiny? It will find you in time, young one. However, there is an oracle far to the north which might be able to...
North? But there's an army of the horsemen marching north.
What? No. My village is in danger.
I must know more about this oracle. Follow them! Protect Cairn at all costs! Yes.
Huh? What you want me go?
Lokrigar Nogal.
What do you want?
Loktar. I am the war chief.
Yes?
Why?
The spirits
want me
are
killed?
restless. The spirits are
What you want
restless.
me do?
What do you want?
Anything you want. You got it, man. Let's get on with it.
Master?
Who you want me kill?
I am the war chief. For honor,
Yes? Swobo?
I am the war chief.
Huh? Zug Zug.
What you want me do?
Anything you want.
Master?
Lokrigar Nogal.
What you want me go?
You got it, man.
Who you want me kill?
Lokrigar Nogal. Dabu.
What you
Who
want?
you want me kill? What you want me go?
I am the war chief. Yes. For honor.
Yes?
Let's get on with it.
Huh? What you want me do?
The spirits
Master?
are restless.
What do you want?
Why?
Let's get on with it.
What do you want?
What you want me do? Yeah.
I am the war chief. Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes?
What you want me go?
Huh?
Who you want me to kill?
Let's get on with it. I am the war chief.
Why?
Master? Lokrigar Nogal. Dabu.
Huh?
Who you want me to kill?
What you want? Time for
What you
killing.
want me to do?
Master?
Lokrigar Nogal. Yes. For honor. Lokrigar Nogal.
Master?
Where she want me to go?
The spirits are restless.
Master?
What she want me to do?
I am the war chief. Yes. For honor.
We've arrived in time. The next wave is advancing.
Yes?
Why?
Huh?
The spirits are restless.
What you want?
Where she want me to go? Who you want me to kill?
Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get on with it. Look, Narash! Here they come again! War Chief. For honor, Master.
What she want me to do?
The spirits are restless. Dabu.
What you want?
Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get on with it.
Master? Swobu. Dabu.
Lokrigar
Who you want me to
Nogal.
kill?
What you want? Swobu.
I am the War Chief.
Where she want me to go?
We're under attack.
They've brought a champion with them this time.
Master? Loktar.
Let's get on
You
with
want?
it.
Yes?
The spirits are restless. Yes.
Who you want me to kill?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Master?
What she want me to
Let's
do?
get on
What
with
you
it.
want?
The spirits are restless. Your tribe is safe, Old One.
Thanks to you, young war chief. But the centaur drove off all the game in this region, and I cannot allow my people to starve. Soon we must head north to the verdant grasslands of Mulgore.
And you fear the marauders will overtake you.
Yes. The devil's speed cannot be matched upon the plains.
Well, if you tell us how to reach the oracle you spoke of, then my brethren and I will escort you on your march.
I am intrigued by you and your people, young Thrall. You are more than welcome to join us.